Bye. See you later.
Hold up.
How deep can we go?
What are you doing?
Give me money.
Bye. Swimming later? He's sad. He wants to swim. Oh, that's a jellyfish?
Yeah,
Ah.
there's jellyfish.
Can you get burned if I touch it?
Yes, ano?
Itchy? Yeah. Itchy, itchy. Got it.
Cause you're pulling me straight down. I'm used to all the pressure.
Time for food. Octopus. Let's see how that tastes.
It's so freaking hot. I'm sweating like a baby. I slept in the car before after that boat ride. I jumped out of the water too soon and the water just hit my short. Dry now, but it was like epic fail. Just chilling right now. Came home, gonna sleep, rest a little bit, and then heading out to the beach. And yeah, we're just gonna see how that goes.
Beach? Beach? Whoa! Did you say beach or beach? Beach? Yeah, go to the beach. Okay, party. Dance. 1, 2, 3. I don't know. You wanna join our party? Dance? Jonathan, how about you? What's your name?
Anton
Guapo number 1, guapo number 2, guapo number 3,
Dietary number 3.
pangit number 4. This is number 1 guapo, huh? Ah, pretty boy. Chicken.
Chicken skin.
Chicken skin? You like chicken skin? It's delicious. It's sweet.
It's tender, yet juicy in a way that just melts in your mouth.
You know I'm not the same. Say go, we can swim.
Liwag. Salamat. We drove for a bit, maybe 2 hours, something like that, right, Mom? Thing is that we came to this place. It was literally off-road. We have to walk for 800 meters, and we're going to the falls. Hello. Hello. Malabsay Falls. Yeah, pretty fun, yes. Halfway there, and everybody's getting a little bit tired. It's not even far. But you know, my mother doesn't know that cotton ventilates, and this is not cotton, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. Are you alive, little man? Mom, if you're that tired, you go sleep over there, and we'll pick you up later, alright?
What do you think of me, Carabao?
Carabao? Said you were a Carabao? Are you this Carabao right over here? Or are you the Carabao right over here, relaxing? Oh, run! Oh, Siggy. Faster! Ah, Usain Bolt. We're still walking, high hopes, high spirits, and for me anyway, it's cool, it's okay. But my mom is like having a heat stroke. Just look at this, dude. You wet, mama?
Very.
Ah. After that, around 20-15 minutes walk, 800 meters up a hill. I actually believe it was longer, but I don't know. Yeah, of course it's good exercise. My mom is freaking out because there was a sign once we came into this reservation saying that there is only 15 minutes left until we get there. But it's beautiful and it's nice. It's cool. You know, it's not hot here. 10 minutes! Woo!
10 minutes. Oh, nice.
So apparently there's warm water here and cold water in the falls, and we can decide which one we want to go to because there are many different variations.
You see the street?
Yeah, 192. 192! Woo! Let's go! Looks good. gonna go help my mom cross the water. She's scared. I'm gonna switch into my bathing suit. Let's go. Boom. Let's go. Swimming. The best thing about this is that the water is from a fall or a current of water in the jungle. In other words, it is totally salt free, which means you don't get sticky icky afterwards and you feel good. And it's really cold as well. Really, really relaxing. I mean, I think I've never wanted cold water more my entire life to swim in than at this moment. Because it's been so hot, yeah? You know, in Sweden, we don't get hot water that often. I mean, it's never in the lake. So having the opportunity to in Sweden, I wish for warm water. In the Philippines, cold water is the best. You want her to swim? You want her to swim? Of course you want her to swim. Oh, jungle life. Smile. What are you doing? You look like a tourist. Well, just look over here. Monkey. Yeah, baby, sing. Come on. I'm in love with the shape of you. We push and pull like a magnet too. Now, seriously, this is extremely refreshing and highly recommended if you're in the Philippines. And bring a little Filipino boy that can sing as well. That's good, right? Huh? Yeah. It's cool. Wow. Paradise. 15 minutes. Let's go. Woo! You okay? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What? Should I wait? You dying? You need kiss of life? CPR? That's our driver. He's pretty far behind. But he likes flirting with girls, so I kinda like him. He's my role model. Come on, let's go! We stopped and filmed the river because my mom wanted to go ahead of us so she could stop and freaking relax. Look at her waiting for us. She's like an evil villain. 21. Woo! 15 minutes! When I was swimming in the waterfall, I cut myself. Huh? Can I have kiss? No? You don't love Kuya? Yeah. Okay. I don't know. Yuck. Yuck. Why yuck, man? After my haircut, who do I look like? Ah, Mom, who do I look like?
Jonathan.
Oi. Who do I look like, Mom?
Handsome. Jonathan.
Jonathan? What a creative answer. You could have gone with Tom Cruise. I've been in the Philippines for maybe 2-3 days now, so you could have gone with Usain Bolt or Aray. Stop pinching my ass, you crazy.
Just like your daddy. I'm very...
I look like Tarzan. Tarzan! It's not that far. It's downhill. I thought this was freaking gorgeous, but we haven't even gone to Karamoan yet. That's gonna be really interesting. It's gonna be nice, it's gonna be sunny, it's gonna be beaches. Not beaches. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be sweet. Good food! Good for my belly, huh? Oh, I should do an Instagram thingy. You ready?
Yeah.
One thing that you have to know while traveling is that you might not feel like working out, but to stay fit, we have one trick for you. That is to fit it in when you can. So I'm gonna get my little man here to film me while I work out. On the go! Let's go!
You had no one else.
Picture
You can walk if you want to. This is just working out
Video yan, video.
on the go.
Nag-video na ba yan?
Exercise.
Nag-video na ba to?
Oh! Here, Mom. You hold. I'm gonna walk on my hands.
What walk in my hands?
Trust me. And if you're tired of walking, you can use your arms instead.
Say go, we can swim. So we can win.
Pineapple. Fried banana. My favorite. Like it? I love it.
I love it.
How about you?
I like that.
Natural banana as well. Huh? Sweet, crispy, and delicious.
So baby, it hurts.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Welcome, thank you.
Swimming high five. High five.